ever been so freaking tired that you forget shit? Like small things. I'm talking about your bank pin, or you sign your kid into daycare, and then when you get there in the afternoon, they tell you, oh, just remember to sign her in. And I'm like, but I did it. No, you did not. Burnout is a freaking real thing. And if you don't slow down, it will get worse. Guys, being a mom that used to work 50 hours in corporate, this was my reality. I felt like I was going delusional. So I desperately needed something that I could do to supplement my income that could ultimately free up more time so that I can just focus. So this is what I found, and I started a little side hustle 100% around my corporate job and my family that literally allowed me to reduce my working hours to 20 hours a week now, meaning that I've got so much more time, and now I've got more money coming in because I am earning thousands of dollars every month doing digital marketing as a complete beginner. So if you're similar and you've got the same thing going on and you're interested, then drop a 1 in my comments. I will share this with you.